Now, the other thing I want to do is on the dog, I want to talk about our non-uniform scale. I love this one here, so I'm just going to go and put it into a 3D keychain. And let's just auto size it by clicking here. And it's a little small, so I want to make it bigger. Maybe I'm just going to zoom in to the face of the dog, and I'm going to rotate it. And you see what's happening here is the nose is getting cut off. So in these scenarios, sometimes you might have a 3D order for like the notched crystal, which is thinner, and you want it to be sized larger from the front view, but from the side view, all the faces are kind of half out on the Z. So use your non-uniform scale. And there you go. So you're still able to retain the 3D, but it is now fit to the crystal.